Can you describe your role and responsibility as a technical architect? This is a common interview question and the question with which we start. The candidate response can be: as a delivery solution architect, my primary focus is to design scalable and efficient data architectures while ensuring the best practices are followed across projects. Some of my key responsibilities include designing data architectures. A technical architect, I am responsible for crafting robust and scalable data architecture tailored to the business needs. This includes choosing right storage solution, ensuring data governance, and implementing security best practices. Second, defining best practices, standardizing development process, implementing coding guidelines, and ensuring team alignment with industry standards. Third, performing POCs and documenting strategy. So when we design the project as a technical architect, we realize that some of the areas are there where we don't have the enough experience. So for them, we need to define the POCs. Such POCs an architect must implement. So before implementing any solution, the gray areas are taken out, and I generally conduct the proof of concept to evaluate feasibility and performance. The findings are then documented for the future implementations. Documentation is extremely important. Ensuring the smooth delivery life cycle. So at every stage of the project, and it is an architect's responsibility to identify the gaps, whatever is not going as per the intended strategy, and then technically align those things, keep filling those gaps, keep removing those roadblocks. So that is also another responsibility. And finally, optimizing the system. So this is an important responsibility of an architect where he continuously monitor, analyze and optimize a data processing pipeline, improving efficiency, reducing cost and enhancing overall performance. What makes a strong answer is awareness of the key responsibilities an architect has to do. So it is very easy for an architect's role to be confused with a tech lead's role, but then a right approach, clarity to make sure the answer is structured logically, experience driven, where we provide a real world examples of how you conducted the POCs, defined the architecture, best practices, and being concise and impactful make the answer very beautiful and set the stage for a right interview ahead. You can add a specific project where you applied all these responsibilities. For instance, in a recent project, I did these 1, 2, 3, 4 steps. This would also give an interviewer a confidence that you are not just talking in theory, but you have implemented that in practice. A technical architect is more than just a designer. They are problem solvers, strategists, and enablers of scalable solution. If you are preparing for a Databricks data engineering interview, make sure to subscribe for more expert answers. Thank you for listening into like, share and subscribe for Databricks interview preps. Thank you guys.